Air fryers are everywhere, but which ones are actually worth it? The Cosori Air Fryer promises quick, healthier cooking, easy cleanup, and solid everyday performance. But let's see if it actually delivers. I've tested a lot of air fryers, from basic models to premium ones. I've used the Cosori for a few weeks now as my main weeknight cooker and leftover reheater. That's the real test. Now here's what stands out. There's a large 5.8 quart basket, enough for family-sized portions or full meals. Digital presets make it simple to cook fries, chicken, veggies, or even reheat pizza with just one touch. The non-stick basket is removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup super easy. It also comes with a small recipe book. Nothing fancy, but a great way to get started. I've actually tried a couple of the recipes and they came out really solid. It's nice for ideas when you're first figuring out what works best in an air fryer. Personally, I'm really looking forward to these Korean-style beef skewers. It heats fast, cooks evenly, and doesn't take up very much counter space. In daily use, it's genuinely convenient. Dinner goes from freezer to table really fast, and food comes out crisp without needing any oil. I've used it for chicken wings, fries, roasted vegetables, all consistent and evenly cooked. It is still just an air fryer, not an oven, so large bakes or big roasts can sometimes feel cramped. It does need a little space behind the machine for ventilation, and if you get the Wi-Fi version, expect an extra setup step from the app. Overall, the Cosori Air Fryer hits that balance between price and performance. It's reliable, fast, and easy to clean. Exactly what most people want. If you're after a no-fuss kitchen upgrade that just works, this one is crispy business.